Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now these are the JBL C50HI earphones. Apart from being the cheapest product in JBL's lineup, are they any good? Let's find out. And as always, the links for checking them out will be posted in the description box below. So the unboxing experience is pretty standard. The box has a typical JBL color scheme. Inside the box you will find the earphones themselves, two pairs of extra ear tips, and some documentation containing regulatory and warranty information. Let's kick off this review by talking about the design and overall build. The driver housings are completely made of plastic and they accumulate scratches after prolonged usage. You don't get nylon cables on these pair of earphones unlike others from Boat or Realme. And the wiring isn't tangle free either. This does hurt the durability factor quite a bit. And a lot of people have had issues with them, including myself. Sometimes one of the sides stopped working randomly, and other times people have complained about the fact that they are not able to connect them to their device via the headphone jack. I had to replace my first pair with a new pair which I am using to make this video. This is simply unacceptable and I hope JBL resolves this issue in future models. Apart from that, there are a few design choices that I like, especially how the actual ear tips are angled just a bit to provide a better fit in your ear. The 90-degree angle connector pin is also a nice touch. Moving on to sound quality, this would be the area we expect JBL to shine, and of course it does just that. The mids and vocals are pretty decent and there is a slight emphasis on bass, being JBL. The sound quality isn't as balanced as the Sennheiser CX180s, which I consider to be the gold standard when it comes to best sounding earphones under Rs1000. But of course, the JBL ones are much cheaper than the former, and for the price, it's really great. When compared to the Realme Buds 2, the bass was a lot cleaner at higher volumes, and JBL C50s felt like it had a much more balanced sound signature. The medium-sized ear tips pre-installed on the earphones fit me well, provided a great seal, and I was able to focus on my music. The multifunction button worked as expected and the call quality was pretty average, but it worsened when I was trying to make a call in a windy area to the point where the person at the other end couldn't hear me. So keep that in mind. So to finally sum up, the JBL C50HIs are a pretty decent pair of earphones for the price. It sounds much better than the competition and I wish JBL had upped its durability factor in the next generation. So if you are a person who appreciates sound quality over build quality and are on a tight budget, these pair of earphones from JBL are a pretty good option. Hope you guys enjoyed this short review video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon enough. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one.